mentioned.
Kabolo wante Narok nyakuro mga juang county manarok yango ni Gwenge maromo 316 nyaka sani osetieko wach dhiyo ke bunge kuom higni ariyo mokalo. Jatend migawo mar thieth e county no Anthony Namunuk opoyo kang maka kamano kawacho ni mano konyo lweny magisebedo ka gigoya ahinya mano mar tieko tuoche malandore nikech dhiyo ke bunge. Omedo ni piny owacho manarok okedo tenge milion 10 mano mar medo kata kedo kod wach no medhi tigode gero choche kendo thiedho tuoche malandore.
We are the best performing county in terms of among the 15 counties on matters open defecation, that is elimination. We've managed to deliver 316 villages since 2021 with our development partners helping us. And today, we've, as a county, also committed to put our local resources into sanitation activities.
We are happy about the county achievement, and actually the donor partners, USAID, who is here, UNICEF that is here, and the many other partners who have also seen us on the internet, actually are happy on the achievement of Narok, and we want to continue with it. And by 2025, we want to make sure that all Narok County becomes ODF, and actually we want to move to other counties also. Other counties are also doing the same thing, and by 2025, we want the 15 counties who we are calling high burden to move away from what is being called high burden to the other for the 32 counties, the normal counties.
We see progress in what is coming out of Narok County. We are very sure and very determined that by 2025 we should have Narok open defecation free. I am particularly happy, and as an organization, as AMREF, we are happy because to see an injection of 10 million Kenya shillings per year by the county government is a strong message and a strong commitment that the county government is serious on this journey. This will add into what other partners are doing.